Welcome. Today we are going to look at the ways in which Christians contribute towards maintenance of law and order in the society. Then we state methods of disciplining errant members in traditional African communities. And lastly, we identify the obstacles to effective maintenance of law and order in the society today. Ways in which Christians contribute towards maintenance of law and order in society. Number one, obeying the law of the land, respecting the lawful authority, rehabilitating criminals, condemning acts which violate human rights, educating the masses on their responsibilities and rights, sharing what they have with the needy, condemning unjust laws, fighting against social evils, preaching peace and reconciliatory rules, reporting criminals to the relevant authorities. Methods of disciplining errant members in the traditional African communities. Number one is paying fines, reprimanding wrongdoers, giving unpleasant names, denying culprits access to social occasions, summoning an indisciplined member before the council of elders, excommunicating wrongdoers from the community, caning and beating, cursing, refusing to name children after the errant members. Obstacles to effective maintenance of law and order in the society today. Number one, increasing rate of crimes in urban areas, unequal distribution of resources, permissiveness in the society, political instability, extreme poverty, incitement by political leaders, high rate of unemployment, and greed for material wealth. Kindly add more points in the comment section and let me know what video you want I look at tomorrow. Thanks a lot for subscribing and listening to me. God bless you.